The Canto Connect app for macOS is one of the best ways to upload in bulk. Let's start off by opening up the App Store for Mac and searching for Canto Connect. We'll go ahead and install it, and then let's go ahead and open the app up. The first time that we open the app, we'll need to set the URL for the Canto library and then log in with our credentials. Now, we see the interface for the app with only a couple of choices. In this video, we're going to use the Advanced Uploader. Now, one of the reasons that I love using the app is because it maintains the folder structure that you have on your Mac. Even if you have folders several levels deep, that structure is maintained and uploaded when you push the files to your Canto library. Let's go ahead and select a folder to upload. I'll browse to a folder tree on my Mac and choose it. Now I'll choose where in my Canto library I want to upload it to. Next, let's just click upload and it will get started with the upload. Once it's finished, we'll jump over to the library in a web browser. You'll see that the exact structure is preserved and all of the files have been uploaded. Think about using this app as the easiest way to bulk upload with a deep folder structure. Thanks for watching.